When you have a legal dispute and negotiation isn't resolving the problem, you may benefit from outside help. Mediation is a proven way to assist you in finding a satisfactory solution without losing control over how your dispute is resolved. Mediation is widely used around the world, and JAMS is the world's largest provider of mediation services. We'd like to tell you a little about what mediation is, how it works, and how you can use mediation to resolve your disputes and protect your business. In mediation, a neutral third party helps you and your lawyers sit down with your adversary and their lawyers and conduct difficult conversations, assess risk, and identify the best way to resolve the problem. And it works. More than 80% of disputes that come to mediations are resolved. These include cases involving large insurance litigation, complex multinational transactions, construction projects, closely held businesses, and disputes involving family and friends. We know that mediation works when parties have continuing relationships, but it also works in disputes between parties who will never see each other again. Satisfaction is possible because everyone keeps control over what matters to them. Mediation makes good business sense. It's faster and more cost-effective than litigation or arbitration. In fact, most matters settle in just a day or two of mediation. Mediation produces results that work for you. You can find the right solution to your problem because you are always in control. Unlike arbitration or litigation, where you have no control over the ultimate decision, in mediation both parties must agree on the outcome, and you can craft unique solutions tailored to your needs. How does mediation work? First, you and the other side select a mediator and gather for an informal joint meeting in a neutral environment. This joint session provides everyone the opportunity to talk about the matters of concern to them. After the joint session, you meet with the mediator in private caucuses where you talk in confidence about what you feel is important. Everything said in caucus is confidential and will never be disclosed to the other side without your consent. During the caucuses, the mediator helps you identify options for resolution and the risks of not settling. When both parties agree to one of the options, the mediator ensures that the settlement is concluded properly. What should you do now? Start by bringing a case to mediation. Pick a hard case, a problem that you wish would go away. Then contact us and we'll help. Or perhaps you'd like training. At JAMS, we not only mediate, we also train CEOs, managers, lawyers, and others to use mediation to their advantage and to become better negotiators. As the world's mediation leader, we can help you achieve better results. Learn more about JAMS mediation services and training programs in both mediation and negotiation at www.jamsadr.com.